Imagine driving a brand new Tesla for less than the price of a used Honda Civic. Sounds impossible, right? Well, buckle up, because Tesla's $25,000 Model 2 isn't just alive, it's gearing up to redefine affordable EVs. Despite the rumors of cancellation, Elon Musk's team is pulling off a production miracle that could drop prices to $17,000. How? By turning factories into Lego sets and dodging tariffs like a pro. Let's uncover Tesla's secret playbook to dominate the budget car market. Tesla hasn't abandoned the Model 2. Instead, they've gone stealth mode. Forget building new factories in Mexico or India. Tesla's repurposing its Fremont and Austin lines, already churning out Model 3 and Y vehicles. By skipping billion-dollar factories, Tesla saves cash and time, aiming to launch the Model 2 by December 2025. But here's the twist: Tesla's playing 4D chess with tariffs. With US-China trade wars slapping 100% taxes on Chinese EVs, Tesla's pivoted to North American parts. Their secret weapon? A magnet-free switch reluctance motor that ditches pricey Chinese rare earth metals. This cuts $1,800 per car and dodges tariffs, passing savings to you. Now, let's talk about design. The Model 2 isn't just cheap, it's smart. Tesla's using gigacasting machines to stamp the car's frame as one white part welded parts. Fewer parts mean fewer repairs. Imagine a car that's built like an iPhone: no creaks, no rattles, just sleek durability. The modular interior? Basic seats with heated cushions or a giant touchscreen. Talking about performance? The Model 2 rockets to 60 mph in 5.9 seconds, faster than a Chevy Bolt, thanks to a 240 horsepower motor and lightweight aluminum body. Its 270-mile range outshines rivals, while 150 kilowatt charging refuels 80% in 25 minutes. With interest rates soaring, Tesla's playing it safe. Instead of gambling on new factories, they're squeezing 50% more cars from existing lines. This isn't a retreat, it's a tactical pause. As Elon Musk confirmed, the Model 2 is coming, and it'll be worth the wait. Meanwhile, Tesla's robo-taxi dreams aren't sidelined. At Giga Texas, driverless cybercabs are already navigating construction zones without chasing cars. By 2026, Tesla plans to flood streets with 2 million autonomous shuttles. But for now, the Model 2 is the star car that could make gas vehicles obsolete. Drop your thoughts in the comments if you'd buy a $17,000 Tesla or sticking with a gas car. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. The EV revolution isn't coming. It's cheaper than you think.